Alright. Captain Cruz. Chill. Number 3. Hey. I'm going in. E-Breeze. Captain Sheed. Chill. Yeah. Okay. I'm jumping on this shit. I hope you feel the shit. When I spit this shit, this shit is gonna be fire. Jumping on this shit till I drink. Get higher. I'm only drinking on this shit. Get drunk, getting white boy wasted when I'm drinking this shit. Cause I'm spitting this shit like a professional. But you just say rookie looking at me now. You not fucking with me, so put the mic down. When I get this mic, you looking at me like I'm really high. Jumping on this shit now. Jumping side to side, jumping, moving. You don't wanna see me, yes, E-Breezy. Coming from that 4-1, no. Jumping from that Baltimore, yeah, that's up north. Call it Baltimore. When you see me just jumping down, you never see me now, cause I'm breezing through. You never see me when I'm coming down, cause I'm beaming down on you haters. You don't wanna see me now. See you later when you see me now. I'm going through high your body, passing to my captain right now. Get it cap, my captain Sheed about to take it right now. Okay, what's good? Y'all know what it is. Y'all know it's see what we about to do. I don't give a shit, y'all niggas know we about to bring the crew. Fooling with these niggas, about to show these niggas how we do. Now, this the shit here, dog, this be the shit. I don't give a damn, I'm telling y'all niggas, I'm legit. Ain't no fucking talking about this nigga hating, y'all some bitches. I fool with my nigga, me and E, we be getting it. I told them nigga, they don't even see me, I'm gonna set it. I told them nigga, this my little city, kinda get it. I'm trying to take over everything, I'm really in it. These niggas see me head deep, nigga, I ain't playing. These niggas tryna fuck with me, they see me, I ain't spraying. I'm telling these niggas, I'm paying niggas to play 'em. These niggas tryna fuck with me, I showed that nigga what? I showed him I don't really play, I took that Tommy gun. These niggas know a nigga tryna make these niggas run. I showed that motherfucker he don't want it, I'm a done. I told that nigga, yeah nigga, I'm like done P. I fool with my nigga, that my boy, he street. I taught these niggas how to ball, how to stunt. I told these niggas, y'all niggas really bout to run. I fool, I really keep it coming like what? These niggas see me, got to pass it to my E-front. That's my brat. I'm about to take it. Pass me that torch, let me light it, then take it. Inhale, then inhale, once again. Then I got these Jordans on my feet, so I'm thinking feeling like I'm floating now. On the free throw, yeah, you heard me say it. I'm just coming through like MJ. When I'm spitting on this shit, I'm just floating on this mic. When I'm spitting on this shit, coming from another planet. When I'm touching down on your planet, you don't wanna see me, cause I'm coming to destroy your whole planet. So when you see me, you better bow down and salute me now. Captain Crew, get it now, we coming through now. Got that north with me, and that's out with me now. Jumping on this beat, and we gotta kill this shit now. Crank it up now, and turn it loud now. Hey, Captain Crew, nigga. Crew, nigga. You know how we do, nigga. This is the 3rd installment. Fuck with it, man. I'm fucked up, man. You should get fucked up too. You know. Hey. You didn't see all the uncut footage. The how we even got on this level. But we passed a whole nother level. You ain't even on this level for real. This is the captain's level for real. Captain log number 3. Whoa, we crazy right now, man. Y'all motherfuckers better catch up. You know, no mustard, nigga. Turn up to the max. No mustard. Catch up, nigga. CCB out.